Hi, my name is Patricia Giblin. I teach 7th grade language arts at the Health Sciences Academy in Monroe Middle. This is my 15th year and I taught all 3 different grade levels, all language arts. I have 3 children. My oldest daughter is a nurse practitioner. My youngest daughter is a nurse at HN Health downtown, and my son is a 7th grade teacher at Piedmont Middle in CMS. I hope to get to know you, and I'm welcoming the new 7th graders. Thanks. Hi, welcome to 7th grade English Language Arts. My name is Patricia Giblin. This is my email address that you can reach me at. This is the school cell phone number, and this is my cell phone number that you could reach me or text me. The expectations in the class are a little different this year because of the pandemic and what is going on. So there's 4 main non-negotiable new procedures that I think as parents you need to know, and I will tell the kids when they come. First, mask must be worn in school. There will be hand sanitizer for the kids. The desks will be spaced out and it'll look a little different, and the students need to understand this is for their safety. So they have to respect that this social distancing. And the last one, we have scheduled bathroom breaks. This is to keep the children safe. We want to make sure that we do not have 6 or 7 kids in the bathroom at one time. So it is to keep them safe. Next is materials. First, we will not be sharing materials this year, so it is important for them to have something to write with, pen or pencils. It does not matter to me which one they have, whatever they feel comfortable with. Earbuds or headphones, this is pretty much really one of the most important things they need, because most of the mini lessons will be recorded, and when they're in class, they could put the earbuds in, and if they want to re-listen to the mini lesson, they can. So that's important for them to have. 2 count notebooks, one for reading, one for writing, a folder to keep all the handouts and worksheets in one place, and their Chromebook. When they do come to school, they do need to have their Chromebook with them, and if there's ever an issue with their Chromebook not working, we need them to tell us. The next slide is the main source of information where you will get the lessons for the week. This is an example of how my Canvas page looks. And this is where I post all the lessons and all the material that the students will need for the week. And the 6 components. So one is the calendar, and here I post the due dates and assignments. So it's a quick link for them to get to. The second is how do I. These are short little videos or explanations on how to get to Scholastic, how to upload the Google presentation. Announcements. I do weekly videos and I store them in this section. So pretty much the video will look like probably what I'm doing now. It'll be an explanation of what the week's assignments are for them to go back to look at. Weekly modules, they are going to be set up with their mini lessons, their writing assignments, everything that they need for the week is in one module. This is my contact information. This is different ways that you could reach me. And the student spotlight. This is an area where I like to highlight the students that are succeeding. And there are so many of them. So that's why I do like a weekly student highlight. And then the syllabus is where I'm going to keep this material if you ever need to go back to. And I add to it as the year goes on. Next, this is an example of the module that I tentatively put out for the first week of school. And you can take a look how the mini lessons are labeled with the dates, and there's Monday through Friday. So every day, even though they're not in school, they will still have a reading mini lesson. And let's go right into in-class and home learning. The same components. They're going to have a warm-up. They're going to have a mini lesson. They have homework, and they have independent work they have to submit on a daily basis to be accountable for their learning. When they're with me in class, that is the opportunity for them to ask for help or for me to do small group with them. So this is PowerSchool, and the reason why I put this is because I encourage you to get the login as a parent so you'll be able to see what assignments your child is missing or what grades they need to bring up. And this is the curriculum for English language for the year. We start off with reading literature and writing realistic fiction. And welcome back. I'm glad to see my new 7th graders.